close your eyes. The world softens. The noise fades into a distant hum. And what remains is the sacred rhythm of your breath, the pulse of creation itself moving through you. You have entered a moment that belongs only to your soul. The golden morning light waits beyond your lids, a quiet promise of new beginnings. Feel it, the soft warmth of possibility touching your skin, the universe whispering that today something shifts within you. You are entering alignment with the frequency of wealth, love, and abundance. You are stepping into the field where everything you've ever desired is already waiting for you to remember. Let yourself surrender. Let your body sink into the gentle support beneath you, as if the earth itself were holding you in loving arms. The air around you hums softly, wrapping you in a tender, unseen light. Feel your shoulders melt, the weight of yesterday dissolving. Your heart begins to open, like morning petals unfolding in sunlight. With every exhale, release the tension that has lingered too long. The worry, the striving, the doubt. There is nothing to fix, nothing to chase, only to allow, only to remember who you truly are. Breathe once, deeply, and feel the breath as golden light flowing through your body. It travels into your chest, your arms, your hands, all the way to your fingertips. It flows down through your spine, into your legs, grounding you in serenity. Every cell awakens with soft radiance, harmonizing, restoring, remembering its divine blueprint. Your breath is not air. It is life itself, reshaping you into balance. You begin to feel lighter, as if invisible hands lift the veil that covered your inner brilliance. You sense the past dissolving into light. Old fears, guilt, and resistance melting away like morning mist under the rising sun. You are being reborn into the calm, limitless awareness of your own power. See it before you, a vast ocean of golden energy shimmering like liquid sunlight. You are floating effortlessly within it. The water hums with the song of creation, abundance, joy, love, the eternal language of the universe. Each wave kisses your skin with forgiveness. Each ripple whispers, "You are free." Allow that golden ocean to wash through your heart. Feel it clearing away the residue of worry. See it moving through your mind, rinsing away the clutter of comparison, judgment, and lack. In this sacred water, you remember you were never unworthy, never behind, never without. You are the very expression of abundance itself. You are the breath of the infinite in human form. You are the divine choosing to know itself through you. Your body begins to glow softly, light moving beneath your skin like stardust flowing through rivers of peace. You can feel every organ, every cell, smiling in gratitude. Your body is a symphony of harmony and light. It knows how to heal, how to thrive, how to expand. You whisper within, "Thank you." And that gratitude becomes a key, unlocking deeper levels of calm, deeper levels of alignment. You sense the energy gathering in your chest, warm and alive. It radiates outward, into your aura, your field, your life. You are becoming magnetic. You are tuning yourself to the vibration of pure abundance. This is not something you reach for. It is something you remember. You were always one with this infinite flow. The river of prosperity is not outside of you. It flows through you. Every heartbeat echoes the rhythm of the universe creating through you. Let these words become the song of your morning, whispered from your soul. I am safe. I am guided. I am surrounded by divine intelligence that knows my path. I am abundant beyond measure. Every cell of my being vibrates with prosperity. I am worthy of receiving all that life longs to give. I am the open vessel of creation. I am whole, radiant, and alive. I am one with the energy that creates worlds. Each affirmation blooms within you like a petal of light. You feel them expanding in your chest, radiating through your entire being. The more you affirm, the more you remember. The more you remember, the more you awaken. The more you awaken, the more the universe rearranges itself to meet you at your vibration. Your mind quiets. Your awareness expands beyond the edges of your body. You are no longer a single being in a single place. You are consciousness itself, flowing through galaxies of golden energy. Stars pulse with your heartbeat. The universe breathes with you. You are one with the infinite field of potential, the divine intelligence that orchestrates all creation. You are merging with the ocean of infinite love. You are not separate. You are the light the universe dreamed into being. In this infinite stillness, you sense every possible reality coexisting in the field: wealth, love, healing, joy, all shimmering, waiting for your choice. And you choose abundance. You choose peace. You choose to remember your divine power. As you choose, you feel it responding instantly. Waves of gratitude rushing toward you, carrying opportunities, synchronicities, miracles. You don't have to chase. You only have to align. From this expanded space, you send a silent blessing to your day, to every person you will meet, to every moment that will unfold. You bless your home, your work, your body, your dreams. Everything you touch today turns to light. Every step you take echoes the frequency of abundance. The world around you mirrors your inner harmony. The golden light begins to soften. The vastness gently folds itself back into your heart, leaving behind a lingering warmth. The knowing that you are loved beyond measure. The energy within you glows steady and serene. The morning calls softly in the distance. The song of birds, the hum of life awakening. As you slowly return to the awareness of your body, carry this truth with you. You are a creator. Every thought you think, every word you speak, every emotion you hold, they are threads of light weaving your reality. Today, you weave with love. You weave with gratitude. You weave with abundance. You are safe. You are loved. You are free. You are one with the universe. And as you open your eyes to the new day, you carry the golden light of creation within you. Radiant, calm, and infinite,